Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add Cname Record in Hostinger. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. First of all, log into your account and go to the H panel. And here you'll find your domains. I will blur now some personal info, so click on the manage and you will see all the details. And what you want to do is go to the left side where it says DNS and name servers. Click on that one, and here you will see manage DNS record. You can select the type, so I said Cname, so select the Cname. You will be able to add name, target, TTL, and add record. It is pretty simple and easy to do, so that's pretty much it. That's how you locate it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one. Peace.